What is a professional entity? Welcome to our video discussing professional entities. If you're starting a business or working as a licensed professional, you may have heard the term professional entity thrown around. In this video, we will explain what a professional entity is, the types of professional entities available, and why they may be beneficial for certain businesses. But before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. First, let us define what we mean by a professional entity. A professional entity is a type of business entity that is formed by licensed professionals who provide services in their respective fields. This includes doctors, lawyers, accountants, engineers, architects, and other licensed professionals. A professional entity is designed to provide liability protection and other benefits to the owners of the business. Now let us talk about the different types of professional entities. The most common types of professional entities are professional corporations, known as PCs, and professional limited liability companies, which are called PLLCs. These entities are similar to regular corporations and LLCs, but are specifically designed for licensed professionals. Professional corporations, or PCs, are corporations that are formed by licensed professionals. PCs are governed by state laws and regulations and have a board of directors, officers, and shareholders. They offer liability protection for the owners, which means that their personal assets are separate from the business's assets. Professional limited liability companies, or PLLCs, are similar to regular LLCs, but are designed for licensed professionals. PLLCs are governed by state laws and regulations and offer liability protection for the owners. They also offer flexibility in terms of management structure and ownership, which can be beneficial for a wide variety of licensed professionals who want to work together. For example, PCs and PLLCs are the two most popular types of professional entities for lawyers in the U.S. Plus, 60% of accounting firms are organized as professional corporations, and so are 70% of engineering firms. Now let us talk about the benefits of a professional entity. The main benefit of a professional entity is liability protection for the owners. This means that the owner's personal assets are protected in case the business faces legal action. Additionally, a professional entity can help licensed professionals maintain a professional image and provide credibility to clients. Another benefit of a professional entity is tax benefits. A professional entity can elect to be taxed as a C corporation, an S corporation, or a partnership. Each option has its own tax advantages, and a licensed professional should consult with a tax professional to determine the best option for their business. So, if you're a licensed professional starting a business, a professional entity may be a smart choice for you. To find out more information on this topic, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now, 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about professional entities? Does it make sense to you why they are so important in the business world? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.